Imagine waking up at 3 a.m., pushing a small boat into the dark ocean, not knowing if today's catch will feed your family. In Sri Lanka, this is not imagination, it is daily life for thousands of coastal families. Fishing is more than an occupation, it is tradition, identity, and survival. Who are these coastal communities? These are mainly small scale, family based fishing households living along Sri Lanka's coastline. They rely heavily on daily fishing for income and food, strong social networks, fisher cooperatives, and village committees. Many families also earn additional income through a small scale tourism such as guest houses, seafood stalls, boat tours. Their strength lies in cooperation and shared responsibility.
Key components of thriving communities. Thriving coastal communities depend on sustainable fishing, strong cooperatives, ecotourism, and environmental protection, which together supports livelihoods, economic stability, and long-term resilience. Statistics. The fisheries sector contributes 1 to 1.4% of Sri Lanka's GDP and supports over 1 million people, with fish providing about 50% of the country's animal protein and coastal fisheries producing 57% of the marine catch. Coastal communities are vital for national food security. Real examples in Sri Lanka. In Galle, fishermen supply fresh seafood daily to hotels and restaurants, directly linking the fishing with tourism. In Hikkaduwa, coral reef conservation supports both sustainable fishing and marine tourism. In Mirissa, whale watching tourism provides additional income to the fishing families, and these examples prove that diversification works. However, climate change brings stronger storms and unpredictable weather, while seasonal fish availability causes unstable incomes. Overfishing threatens marine resources, and many fishermen lack access to modern technology or fair market pricing. Without support, these pressures can undermine the resilience of the entire coastal economies. Many fishing communities in Sri Lanka are facing an aging workforce, with fewer younger people entering the industry while raising concerns about the future of the sector. Fishing challenges in Sri Lanka affect people by causing unstable incomes, job securities, and food shortage, threatening the livelihoods of coastal communities. A key solution is diversified income streams. First, expanding ecotourism and cultural tourism, allowing visitors to experience traditional fishing, seafood preparation, and coastal heritage. Second, promoting small-scale aquaculture such as crab farming, seaweed cultivation, providing stable year-round income. Third, training youth in marine conservation and tourism guiding, empowering the next generation to protect the ocean while earning sustainably. We can create the change the world needs by taking responsibility, supporting sustainable practices, helping our communities, and making small but consistent actions that inspire bigger change. When we strengthen our coastal communities, we are not just protecting fishermen, we are protecting Sri Lanka's future. Thank you.